Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the numerical base on centroid. This is the third example. Determine the centroid of the shaded area. Determine the centroid of the shaded area as shown in figure. This is the centroid of the shaded area. So first of all, the sections. This is rectangle, semicircle, and this is the right angle triangle. So how to calculate the centroid of the shaded area? So first section, rectangle plus semicircle plus right angle triangle and minus quarter circle. Draw the dotted line. See this diagram. See this diagram. This is the section first. First of all, draw the dotted line. This is the total rectangle. Okay. This is the total rectangle. This is the first section number first. This is the section number second. The name of section is semicircle. Section number third, the name of section is right angle triangle. And this is the section number fourth, quarter circle. So rectangle, section number first, rectangle having width of 30 plus 60, 90, and depth is the 30 plus 20 is the 50 mm. Second section, semicircle, total depth of the semicircle is 50 mm, so R is equal to 25. Then right angle triangle having height 45 mm and width 30 mm means base 30 mm. So solve the numerical. First of all, let A1 is the rectangle OABC. A1 is the rectangle OABC. See, OABC. This is the section first. This is the rectangle OABC. Okay. A2 is semicircle. Means section number second. A3 is area of section third. A3 is triangle ODE. And A4 is quarter circle. Therefore, centroids of A1, A2, A3 and A4 are calculated, shown in table below. So first of all, write section number, name of section, area, X bar and Y bar. Okay, section number, first section means total rectangle OABC. Okay, rectangle OABC. Area of first section means area of rectangle is equal to 90 into 50. Area of rectangle is equal to B into D. What is the value of B? 30 plus 60. Total B is the 90. And what is the value of D? Depth of rectangle 20 plus 30. So 90 into 50 is equal to 4500 mm square. Then calculate x1 bar. What is the value of x bar of rectangle? Is the B by 2. So x1 bar means the distance of centroid from y-axis base. Distance of centroid from y-axis base means B by 2, 60 plus 30. 90 by 2 is equal to 45 mm. So y1 bar is equal to 30 plus 20, 50. 50 divided by 2. Suppose this is the point G1. So distance of centroid from x-axis base means y1 bar. So y1 bar is equal to d by 2, 50. 30 plus 20, total 50. 50 by 2 is equal to 25 mm. So section number 2, name of section semicircle. Section number 2, name of section semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. A2 is equal to pi into r. What is the value of r? 25. Total is the 50. So half distance means r. So pi into 25 by pi square divided by 2. Then we get A2 is equal to 981.75 mm square. Then x2 bar. Calculate x2 bar. What is meant by x2 bar? Distance of centroid G2. Distance between point G2 to base of y-axis. To base of y-axis means this distance is the x2 bar. Okay, x2 bar. So point y-axis, base of y-axis to this point means B point 90 plus this point to this point distance. What is the value of semicircle of x bar? 4r by 3 pi. This distance is the 4r by 3 pi plus total distance 90. So 90 plus 4r by 3 pi. x2 bar is equal to 90 plus 4 into 25 divided by 3 pi. x2 bar is equal to 100.61 mm. y2 bar is equal to b by 2. y2 bar, distance between point G2 to base of x-axis means this point to this point. This is the y2 bar. So y2 bar is equal to 25 mm. b by 2. This is the 50 by 2 is equal to 25 mm. Then third, see the third section. Third section is the right angle triangle. Consider area third. Consider area third. Right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. G3. Calculate first of all area half into B into H. Calculate x3 bar and y3 bar. x3 bar means distance between point G3 to base of y-axis means x3 bar, and y3 bar means point G3 to base x-axis means y3 bar. See here, this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative y-axis means triangle, downward triangle. This is the downward triangle. Since note, since x3 bar is measured along positive x-axis, it is taken positive. x3 bar, this is the x3 bar measured along positive x-axis. Measured along positive x-axis, then it is taken positive, and y3 is measured along negative y-axis means y3 is measured along negative y-axis, then it is taken negative value. So see this diagram, total base of right angle triangle is 30 mm and height is the 45 mm. Okay, so how to calculate the area of right angle triangle? Area of right angle triangle is equal to half into b into h. So x3 bar is equal to, this distance is equal to b by 3 is equal to 30 by 3 is equal to 10 mm, and y3 bar is equal to, this is the negative value, minus h by 3 is equal to minus 45 divided by 3 is equal to minus 15 mm. Okay, so this is the third section, x3 bar and y3 bar. For right angle triangle, the value of centroid x3, x bar and y bar is the b by 3 and h by 3. So consider area 4 means quarter circle. See this diagram, area 4 means quarter circle. This shaded area, first plus second plus third minus fourth. Fourth section is the quarter circle. So quarter circle, how to calculate x bar and y bar? See this diagram I have drawn for this portion. See this diagram. Consider area 4 x4 bar, 4 section, so x4 bar. So distance between point G4 to base of y-axis means x4 bar. Distance between point G4 to base of x-axis means y4 bar. Okay, so quarter circle, this is the 30 mm and this is total r and this is the total 50 mm, means G4 to x-axis base is the y4 bar. So x4 bar is equal to, x4 bar means this point to this point, distance is the 4r by 3 pi, and y4 bar means this distance, y4 bar. How to calculate y4 bar? 4r by 3 pi minus total distance is the 50 mm minus this portion 4r by 3 pi, total 50 minus 4r by 3 pi, then we get y4 bar 50 minus 4r by 3 pi. Okay, or y4 bar, how to calculate y4 bar? This is the total r, right? R minus 4r by 3 pi. Okay, r minus 4r by 3 pi, then we get this portion. This portion plus this distance means 20. R minus 4r by 3 pi means this portion plus this portion, this point to this point, 20. So r minus 4r by 3 pi plus 20, then we get same value, y4 bar. Okay, this is the y4 bar, and area of quarter circle is pi r square by 4. Okay, so this is the triangle, third section, number 3rd, triangle ODE, means this point ODE. Okay, area of third section is the half into b into h, half into b into h, half into b. What is the value of b? 30 into h, 45, means this distance 45. So then we get area of third section 675 mm square. x3 bar means b by 3 b by 3 30 by 3 x3 bar is equal to 10 mm. Then y3 bar is equal to minus h by 3 minus 45 divided by 3 is equal to minus 15 mm. So quarter circle, area of quarter circle pi r square by 4 is equal to pi into 30 square divided by 4. Then we get 706.86 mm square. x4 bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. x4 is equal to 4 bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. So x4 bar is equal to 4 into 130 divided by 3 pi, 12.73 mm. Then y4 bar 50 minus 4r by 3 pi. y4 bar is equal to 50 minus 4 into 30 divided by 3 pi. Then we get y4 bar is equal to 37.27 mm. Then calculate centroid. Note here, since A3 triangle should be added to get the given shaded figure, A3 is taken positive even though it is located in the fourth quadrant. A3 which is located in the fourth quadrant. Moreover, area A4 quarter circle should be subtracted to get the given shaded figure. Hence, A4 is taken negative. Therefore, x bar is equal to summation ax bar divided by summation a is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 minus a4 x4 bar divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus a4. This is the minus a4 x4 bar because in given question determine the centroid of the shaded area, means calculate only centroid of the only shaded area. So this is the not shaded. Okay, so shaded area means section 1, section first, second and third. So section first plus second plus third minus fourth. Then we get the centroid of shaded area. So put the values of a1 x1, a2 x2, a3 x3, a4 x4 and a1 a2 a3 a4. Then we get directly answer x bar is equal to 54.87 mm. Then y bar is equal to summation ay bar divided by summation a is equal to a1 y1 bar plus a2 y2 bar plus a3 y3 bar minus a4 y4 bar divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus a4. Then we get, put the value of a1 y1, a2 y2, a3 y3 and a4 y4 and a1 a2 a3 a4. Then we get directly y bar is equal to 18.45 mm. Okay, thank you.